We're all aware that sometimes videos are far too long and they're boring and people want to move on to the next thing, but I wanted to take you through the garden from the other end, from the side of Back Lane, and just show you on a little walk how much has been done over the last few years here in the garden at Stickle Park. It's a restful garden, it's a peaceful garden, lots of colour, lots of interest, and I'm just walking you through now the different pieces, the different parts and areas of the garden. We're open Monday to Saturday through the season until the end of August. Always here from 10 till 4. You don't have to make an appointment to see us, and we welcome customers from all over the country and all over the world. I'm just going to go up this little path here because this was often one of the first places I came to when I'd come into the garden when we first bought the business, because it was closest to the offices, and lots of great hostas here doing lots of interesting things. You've got the Ramblers as well. You've got the wisteria at the front, and it's just a crammed area full of hostas, full of love. This is Snowdon, white flowers. It was double that size, but we split it, and it's still looking pretty amazing. You can see the size of the leaf compared to my hand. And little plants here, my wife's just put down to create a bit more colour. It's a quiet garden, Stickle Path, middle of Dartmoor Park. Not much goes on here. We used to have a crime page in the local paper, but they stopped it because there wasn't really any crime. I think the last crime that I saw was a theft of some handbells from a church, and then they apologised the following week to say that actually they'd been mislaid by the vicar. So, you know, this is what it's like down here in Devon. There's not much going on, but if gardens are your thing, please come and see us.